guys, Dirk here, Sunshine Family, another vlog here in Costa Rica from a balcony. It's early in the morning. I want to shoot this video here for you because, you know, how do you cut a watermelon? And I just wanted to share that with you, what I believe, what I learned along the way, what the best way is to cut a watermelon. But I just wanted to show you here the amazing view. You see it's a little bit yellow, but we had rain yesterday. I'm so excited for the rain because rain means that it's gonna be green again. And I don't, you can't really, maybe not really see it, but you see that it's all yellow, leafless. But now we had rain. Look at this tree, it just exploded with green. But let's go inside and let me show you the best way to cut a watermelon if you're with a family and you need to share the watermelon. If you're by yourself, you just cut it and you just eat it like you like. But when you have company and you want to share a watermelon, I believe that this is the best way to cut a watermelon. Let's hop inside. Hey guys, inside here, and I'm shooting it like this now, so you went from this to that. But I got this beautiful watermelon. They just grow here on the well, not here on the land, but they in Guanacaste, a little bit more up in the north of Costa Rica. You have big fields of watermelon, many watermelons, and they are so juicy and nice. And this is just here from the local grocery store, guys. But the best way to cut a watermelon when you have company is take a dry knife. Is just cut it in the middle. It's like top and bottom. Well, you know, here you could do it like this as well, but I already like this. And you just cut it in half in one big slice. Hoppa! And you have two halves. Put one aside, and then you just cut it in a square like this, and this. And this can go, and we have I'm not throwing this in the garbage here, we just have oh, it's cleaning here. Anyway, normally we have a big bowl where we put this in, and then when it's full, I walk outside and then just toss it over the gate, and that is where either the cows or other creatures eat it. But this is the secret in how to share watermelon if you're in a company. You just make slice, so like, what is it? 2 inch? No, 1 inch, a little bit, 1 inch. Yeah, that's 1 inch, right? A little bit thicker than your thumb. And you just make slices of it. And this is not it, because this could be it as well. You could just share it like this. This could be a little bit thinner. But here's the trick. What I want to do is, I want to turn it and do it again. And make the slices like that. Careful enough, I cut my fingers, right? And then, voila! You put it on a nice dish and you serve it like this. Because the great thing is, it's like, oh, you want a piece of watermelon? Isn't that cool? So super sweet. So guys, this is how you can cut a watermelon when you have when you have visitors. Super fun, super easy. I'm gonna cut the other half up for a fresh shake with ice cubes and maybe some pineapple. I love that in the morning here in Costa Rica. So that is it. It's pura vida. Hope you like it, guys. Hope this helped you and got you some great ideas. And see you in the next vlog, guys. Ciao.